Okay, let's solve for compass error. So, true course, ito yung nasolve natin do sa ating problem 071.8. Magnetic course 080. Laging subtract. Meron tayong compass error na 8.2. Same pa rin ang rule kapag ka error compass best, error west, compass least, error east. So ngayon, mas mataas yung ating magnetic compass, yung ating compass kaysa sa dun sa true. So compass best, error west. Okay. The two factors affecting magnetic compass: variation and deviation. Combination of these two is our compass error. Okay, yung variation, difference between true meridian and magnetic meridian. So ito ay given na. Makikita natin ito sa pilot chart, pwede rin sa GPS, and pwede rin sa ECDIS. So hindi na natin isosolve to. And deviation is deflection right or left of magnetic meridian caused by magnetic properties of the vessel. So ito, pwede nating isolve to. O, magnetic properties of the vessel, ibig sabihin yung barko natin may magnetic properties kasi ito ay bakal. Okay, so meron tayong true course, magnetic course, variation, saan ang galing do sa problem natin? Variation natin is 7.0 west. Deviation, hanapin natin ang deviation. Okay, compass error 8.2 west, variation 7.0 west, deviation, anong gagawin natin dyan? Plus or minus, and anong name yan? So kailangan natin ang name dyan. Meron tayo dyan. So variation to compass error is equals to deviation. So paano yon? Okay, do-draw natin. Dito yung east, dito yung west. So ganito ang pag-draw ng ating variation and compass error. Variation to compass error is deviation. Yun nga ang ating rule. So variation 7.0 west, and our compass error is, hindi na pasulat yung ating compass error, 8.2. So ito ang deviation natin. So variation papuntang compass error, yun yung ating deviation. So ito lang yung kailangan natin. So this case, ma-minus natin itong variation sa compass error para makuha natin yung deviation. So ang direction yan, variation to compass error, variation papuntang compass error. So papunta tayo ng west. So magiging name niyan is west. Okay, so deviation is 1.2 west yun. Magiging 1.2 west lang yung deviation natin. So compass error 8.2 west, variation 7.0, subtract yan, kakaroon tayo ng deviation na 1.2 west. Okay, so deviation of more than 5 degrees is not acceptable to inspector. So pag sumasampay yung mga port state control, titingnan nila yung compass deviation log nyo, compass error log, titingnan nila yung deviation. Kapag nakita nilang 5 degrees or more, magkakaroon kayo ng deficiency. So kailangan nating masolve palagi yung deviation at least once a watch. Okay, solve for checking. I-check natin kung tama yung ating solution. So nandiyan pa rin si Cadet, correcting at east. So C for magnetic compass course, D for deviation, M for magnetic meridian, V for variation, and T for true course. Kailangan natin mapalabas yung true course natin na 071.8. Okay, let's check. Compass course 080, deviation 1.2 west, minus kasi west. Magnetic meridian is 078.8. Then our variation is 7.0 west. So subtract pa rin kasi yan ay west. Our true course is 071.8. So tama yung ating solution. Okay, example. Para hindi kayo malito, bigyan ko kayo ng example. Okay. Variation 2 degrees west. Compass error 3 degrees east. Okay, ang kailangan natin ay from variation to compass error. Yun yung magiging deviation natin. So, variation, compass error is our deviation. So, i-add natin siya. Pag i-add natin siya, and then yung direction niya, kung pasan siya, is east. Okay, 5.0 east. Another example, variation natin 2 degrees east. Compass error is 5 degrees east. So, ang kailangan lang natin ay from variation to compass error para makuha yung deviation. Okay. Variation, compass error is our deviation. Okay. Hanggang dito lang muna at medyo mahaba na yung video natin.